Visit sailrite.com for all your project supplies, tools, and instructions.
Hi, I'm Eric Grant. So it's time to master the art of cushion making. And as you know, there are many styles and designs that you can select when making your cushion. For instance, piping or cording can be added on the edges. Or you may have selected a patterned fabric that you want to match from front to back. Your cushion may be rectangular or irregularly shaped. Some cushions can have squarish or slightly rounded edges. They may even have curved sides or wedges on an edge. These are not all the possible options that exist, but they are the main features that will determine what type or technique is required to build the cushion that you desire. To help you navigate the key features that you desire for your cushion build project, we have developed an easy flowchart which directs you quickly to the optimal cushion based on your preferences and needs. You'll find a link to that PDF in the description below or on the Sailrite website. If your type of cushion is not listed on this PDF flowchart, be sure to email us at info@sailrite.com and we'll direct you to the appropriate video for your particular cushion projects. Happy sewing with your next cushion. Thanks for watching.